Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to uninstall Microsoft Authenticator. So if you also want to uninstall Microsoft Authenticator, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is find the Microsoft Authenticator application. Once you find the Microsoft Authenticator application, all you have to do is long press on it. Now you'll be able to see the option for app info. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see three options: open, uninstall and force stop. All you have to do is tap on the uninstall option that you can see at the middle. There is also another way to uninstall it. All you have to do is open Play Store. Now tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar. Now type Microsoft Authenticator. Tap on the search icon. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see Microsoft Authenticator over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see the option for uninstall. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be asked, do you want to uninstall it? All you have to do is tap on the option uninstall. Now you can see over here Microsoft Authenticator is uninstalled. So that is how you uninstall Microsoft Authenticator. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.